You can expect a lot from the 2020 Subaru Impreza. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated seats, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.